And here they are looking at meaningful engagement of the young people. In most of the areas in the country, in the world, the youth have been involved, especially in violent extremism. They say the youth have been notoriously known for violent extremism. Where there are issues of violence, where there are issues of wars being fought, the youth have always been used. People have made use of them. Maybe because of lack of gainful employment, they are easily lured by various groups to be used for various purposes. I think the practical example, those of you who watch the TV, this FDC thing you saw, the people who were causing fracas outside there in Najana Kumbi, what age group were those? Eh? You saw. One group against the other. The others, trying to block, and then another group. All these activities were made done by the youth. So these opportunities, UNESCO is trying to engage youth. And the principle is that anything for the youth should involve the youth. It should not be us now, the elderly people, who should be planning for youth. And so it is up to you to position yourself. That here we are, we have got the skills. This kind of capacity building is supposed to position you in a way that you can be able to reach out to your fellow youth and be able to give to them what they want. In the society has a lot of needs. How can the young people be useful to meet the aspirations of the society in which you live? That is very important. And even in places of work, even if you get opportunity, the youth are expected with their brilliant ideas and energy to be involved actively in issues which affect the fellow youth, the other youth who may not get the opportunity. And I was looking through the past record of young people changing the lives of fellow young people. I saw countries were profiled and I didn't see anybody in Uganda. No single youth in Uganda has been documented for changing the lives of fellow youth, coming up with a very good enterprises that help to promote other young people. And this is something which is should take as a challenge. You should be now. This is something the trainers have been telling you. Can you go out and train others? You're only 30 people selected, just because of resource limitation. But the whole country needs this. Everybody, everywhere, all corners of the country. How do you reach out there? We have got you of various backgrounds. Some of you are still in your undergraduate studies. Some of you, a few of you finished their A level, they have been admitted, they are waiting to join campus. And then there are those who have even finished. They are waiting for graduation. There are those who have even graduated, but they have no gainful employment yet they are involved. So you have been brought from all these various backgrounds. And we know you represent at least a part of the country. We have people here right from Arua all across up to Kisoro. You are represented here. How do you get this knowledge back? At least get 1 or 2 people and help them. Get 2 or 3. But if you are very active, you get up to 10. We will be very grateful that this gospel, which has been the seed which has been sown here, or local or no call, has been spread through you. And that means what we are going to do immediately after here, normally what we do is we have a follow-up. We have all your names, all your contacts. We have every information about you. We are going to follow you up immediately after this. What we do monitoring and evaluation. And the good thing, this time we got all of you through contacts of people known to us. So don't go and sleep. Some of you we got you through parents, some of you got you through workmates, some of you got you through the institutions you are based in. Some of you we got you through the groups, the various networks. So we know which areas to touch, which network to touch, which sector to touch, and which university to go to. Because even went through the universities. So we are going to follow you, and normally I will give about 3-4 months. Then we start our monitoring and evaluation. So we are coming to check what you have done. And the team leader here told you, this app has been paid for and it's still running. So it's up to you because it's not free. The free one was the day one which they used for introduction. But what used the whole of yesterday and the whole app they paid for. Why do you, and then money will run out after some time. So it's you to make use of it. So we'll see who are those who can let people down and who are those who don't let people down. So as we give this certificate, go with this message that we are coming forward. And you should start documenting your experiences, start documenting what you are doing. You should start getting those list of people who are benefited from you. You will be interested in seeing how have you applied the knowledge? How have others benefited from you? That please go with it in your mind. And I think I want to really say that and stop at that because until we come there are recommendations of more work, but you can't do more work if the baseline is not well done. So we'll say yes, we can lobby for more funds to add more knowledge. If only we find that you are reliable people. You don't just take things and keep to yourself, but you also reach out. Then that will stimulate, that will motivate us to call your group again for the next round of training. We have already discussed, these people are ready to build on this. We had a total of over 6 objectives to achieve, and they told us, we already discussed. 3 of them have fully been able to be realized in these 3 days. But we have got 3 others, and that means more work has to be done. How can we be confident to ask for more resources to do that? Until we see results, until we are confident that you are the right people, that we didn't make mistake in selecting you to come here. As pioneers, this is the first group we are training for this. And try to show that you are good. And if the people you start with let you down, the whole of the country will suffer because of you. That those are the wrong. Then it will kill our interest. I think we should not waste time on this. So you will remain the only beneficiaries, but then others will not benefit. So it's you who can block others from learning, from getting this. And it's also you who can open the way for more people to learn. So with those remarks, I want to only say one thing, that UNESCO believes in lifelong learning. Learning doesn't stop. There is nobody who can say, now we have learned enough. You can see here is where we have been discussing a lot. He has started up to the highest qualification, but he's still busy involved in the research and other things. He has been sharing with you. I want to say that we have got the best people. I think Livingstone maybe did not say so much, but this one here kept you laughing the other time. I will sleep only 2 days, 3 days. 2 hours, 3 hours. He's already
I've not slept. Now I'm going for 48 hours.
He didn't sleep. So that can you also get that spirit? You can't? You can't.
Instead of no code, no sleep.
No sleep.
Can you convert from no code to no sleep?
What do you want to sleep?
Low sleep, no sleep.
So
Low sleep.
Good example.
Yeah.
Have been giving us life experiences yesterday how they have made it. So there is nothing which comes very free on your plate without effort. Everything needs effort, and learning is continuous. Learning is continuous, and through continuous learning, you will always be able to improve your skills. And let me stop here and hope that we'll continue getting through the network we have created and through the various contacts. I've told you it's the beginning. It's the beginning. this giving this certificate in America they talk of commencement. Even when you are graduated, you are now commencing. So it's this. Don't say this is the end. No, it's the beginning. And a good beginning, they say, makes a good ending. But a bad beginning. So let's do it be a good beginning. And with this, can get continue engaging. With these remarks, I want to thank all of you also for your participation. We got a good recommendation from the trainers that you have been a very active group. Very good enthusiasm. He has also commented that these guys are these people, this group are very good. They are very enthusiastic. They haven't slept. You have concentrated. Others normally would go out in some trainings. We see people always on the phone. They are walking out. I saw only 1 or 2 cases. I think those are exceptional cases. All of you were here. So we want to. We have assured you have got your certificate, so it's yours. The signature will be given, and you will find a way of doing that. So let me stop here, and on behalf of the National Commission to UNESCO, on behalf of the Islamic Educational Certificate Culture Organization, we want to officially declare this training closed for God and my country. Thank you. Now.